In this tutorial, we're going to take a quick look at how you can add a border or a stroke around your videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. So with your video inside of your composition, we're going to go to Effects, and if Effects isn't visible, you can go to Window and then Activate Effects or press Shift 7. And in Effects, we're going to search for Stroke. And then apply the stroke to our video. Now you won't be able to see it immediately. In Effect Controls here on top, which if it isn't visible, again go to Window and then choose Effect Controls or press Shift 5. In Effect Controls, we have to change a couple of things. You can change the scale of this video with the built-in scale option here, but that won't work. You have to go to the stroke option here in the effects. And then here we're going to open up Pre-Transform and press Apply Prescale. Now we have scaled down our video. You can still scale it up the way you want to. And then here, your stroke, you can increase the size. And as you can see, we now get to see the stroke. We can also change the color. Let's make it white, like this. And you can play around with everything here. You can change the roundness if you want to have it less round. All of those things, change the position, and you can play around with all those options here. But that's how you can quickly add a stroke to your videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.